Hey, to change Google Assistant voice on the Pixel 8a, first of all, you'll have to go into the settings. Then you will have to navigate into the apps, go to the Assistant, and now you will have to scroll until you find Assistant voice and sounds.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant.
There's the first one,
like this voice,
and there's the second one. For some reason, I only got two voices. But I really believe that it's because I just set the Polish language. So maybe if I try to set the English from United States. Okay, for some reason I cannot even find this. That's weird. Maybe I have to change it here. Yeah, it's right here. So I will try to get rid of this one. Now let's try to find if we can actually get more voices. Yeah, as you can see, right now we can find even more voices. So if you want to change this voice, like for example this, you can just pick it and then go back. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.